It's raining again in New York City. Whew. And MeeMee's not having a good time. Come on, Mama. You gotta come. Let's go. Just a little bit more. A few more minutes and we go home. She wants to go home. Let's go. Let's go, MeeMee. You're getting more wet. Let's go. She wants to turn around and go home. Come on. Charlie trying to entice her. He's so sweet. Come on, we just walk a little bit longer. Then we come back. Come on, we're gonna come home. Ay. Look at her. She's so stubborn. She does not like the rain, the snow. If it's too hot. She used the bathroom already, so I'm gonna bring her home.